Okay, so one of my kids took my laundry and was still kind of damp and stuck it in the laundry basket. So my clothes are full of wrinkles. Don't you love it when they're all cramped up in a laundry basket? Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how I make my homemade wrinkle release spray. I just spray it on my wrinkles and hang it up in my closet, and my work clothes are wrinkle free again. It's super easy. Okay, for this homemade wrinkle release spray, we are gonna use 4 cups of warm water, not too hot, just warm. We're gonna do 4 tablespoons of conditioner and 4 tablespoons of white vinegar. So this is one of the easiest recipes you can use for making a wrinkle release spray. And I'm gonna put it in this big bottle so I have a big batch, and you just spray it on your clothes and hang them up, and it works so well.
Focusing. Tell me when to cut.
Cut that often. So conditioner is definitely more readily available because the water is warm. Once I start shaking it up, it'll blend really easily, and it works great. All right, as you can see, this dress has a ton of these little crumbly wrinkles. So I'm gonna spray it and let's see if these wrinkles come out. So I usually give it like a good spray, and then I kind of smooth it over like this. And oh, that definitely looks better. Gotta kind of let it work its way in. What do you think? You think we got most of those wrinkles out? I think so. What do you know?